So the Beech-Nut case is a California case that has kind of set the stage for companies to be able to sell California consumers products with lead. What this case said was that rather than looking at exposure on a daily basis, for example, you eat one serving of a product, does the amount of lead in that product exceed the amount of lead that you're allowed to have under the law in a single day? What Beech-Nut says was you have to look at that exposure over 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 30 days or 60 days, depending on the type of product. And unfortunately, averaging this exposure from one product over a long period of time allows companies to sell products that have higher levels of lead. And the issue is, as our testing has found, 25% of basically the random products that we tested at the market have high levels of lead. And if you're only allowed to look at one product at a time over exposure over 30 days, then you're not taking into account all the other products someone is eating that contains lead. So the Beech-Nut case is basically a loophole that is allowing companies to sell products that have high levels of lead. If it weren't for this case, I would be able to go into court, show a judge that one serving of one product exceeds the level of lead on one day, and the company would have to go in and clean up that product, period. No questions asked. Unfortunately, under Beech-Nut, that's not the case anymore. And that is directly leading to our test results and our findings. Almost 25% of the products we tested at random containing lead.